between innovation and iteration, there's a world of difference. Innovation is a flying car. Iteration is new colors, slightly different tires, whatever it is. Right? Still cars. One just happens to fly. There's a value jump. Does this appeal to everybody? No. Not necessarily. Not at first. That's why you're trying to discover where there's enough value for about 15% of the market. Because here's what happens in your business cases. You guys ready? You guys project, you do your first year revenue, they come in about 15% of what you projected. Because your projections were based on faster adoption than is real, and you iterated. Okay, little change, 15% of the market will adopt. Big change, 15% of the market will adopt. Here's the difference though, right? This 15% will pay more. I bring up that value because that is how we drive productivity to go faster. So let's get into that third point that I was talking about on how we actually make things go faster by unleashing creativity. And that centers around how we form ensembles. Okay? Now, I said ensembles, not teams. So in an ensemble, as I'm sure some of you may recognize that term from like plays and things, the number one goal for everybody is that everybody else succeeds. It doesn't matter if you're the lead actor or if you're the wardrobe person or the lighting person. Any one of you fails, everybody fails. If you all do what you're supposed to do and you all succeed, then you all succeed. Right? It takes everybody's success to make it a success. So the number one job of an ensemble is to make sure everybody else succeeds. What I'm proposing to you on picking up that speed of productivity and by unleashing creativity is creating ensembles. Those ensembles will include your customers.